Here we have your cable Lat-Pulldown machine. With this machine, there's only two main adjustments. Your quad, your thigh pad, to lock you down and hold you in, so that as you pull the weight down, you don't come off the seat. And the second thing, the second point adjustment is your weight stack. First thing we want to do is bring the seat up and make sure that as you sit, you're going to be nice and locked down. That's a good spot for me. I can't reach the weight stack, so I'm going to stand up, grab my handle, wide, narrow, inverted grip, under grip, whatever is that you're trying to target, grab your grip. Sit down, lock your legs under, lean back just slightly, and pull down right to your collarbone. Breathing in on the way up, exhaling on the way down.